Hello guys! Today, ituturo ko sa iyo how to create MetaMask account. So punta tayong Google and then type natin MetaMask login. So click natin yung link. Ayan. So dadalhin tayo sa metamask.io. So click lang natin tong download for Chrome. So add to Chrome natin guys and loading siya. Pagkatapos niyan, pwede natin siyang i-download or ma-open. So click lang natin I agree to MetaMask. Create a new wallet. So guys, click lang I agree of course. So set tayo ng password. So lagay natin yung password natin kapag na-input na natin. And tapos confirm lang. So I understand, check natin to. MetaMask cannot be recovered this password for me, then create a new wallet. So after creating guys, maglo-load yan. So dito tayo sa secure my wallet account. Ayan, so click lang natin to guys. Ayan, so medyo mag-blur siya. Of course guys, kasi medyo personal yan eh. So kaya ganyan. So, after nyan, next natin, next, and next lang. So, after nyan yan. So, that's how you create MetaMask account. Yun lang guys. Thank you. See you on our next video.